Hi everyone, right, I've had these two figurines for a long time and I absolutely love them. I wouldn't change them at all. I just love them as they are, and they're from the, I say it's 17th century. And I'm going to make a pair of plaques, but I want oval plaques. And do you remember the other day when I picked up this, it's like silk taffeta. Paper on one side but fabric on the other. I just thought it would look fantastic to put this on the back of the plaque and add that. But I'm not sure. I absolutely love this colour. So I'm not sure whether to do that one. And then I'm going to put some lace trimming around. I think I'm going to do this colour. I think. If I've got enough. Yeah, I'm going to do that colour, I think. I was thinking of the black and then I thought, well, no, I like that. I mean, there are lots of different colours and I'm going to get this in for the shop. Because you get quite a bit. White, orange, green, black and burgundy. So let's just see if I can find another piece of the burgundy. Let me just get something that'll go across there. It's got to be even, you see, and it's got to be big enough. Oh, wait a minute. I knew I had something somewhere, just remembered. One of those reels. That's fine. I'm going to just take one of my pencils. Well, the way to get it even is this. Let me get my ruler. I'm going to do 2" there. Two-inch there. Two-inch there. And 2" there. Now I need 2 of those, so put your disc on. I know that that is exactly how I need it. Let me just check again. It's the length. Yes, that's fine. Fine, I think. You just line up the sides of this like that, and you do the same the other side, so that's going to be here lined up. There, that's it. And then that, perfect, absolutely perfect. Let me just see if I can cut this without ruining it. There we go. Now get rid of the small bit, but we'll keep that. I have a bag that I put all my scrappy bits in, because you never know when you're going to build something, like I build units all the time, that you're going to need it. That's perfect. I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with it, to be honest. Now, just got to cover it. And that's not going to fit. So we're going to have to do the black, unfortunately. I could use the orange and paint it black, but then I don't know how it'll come out. We're going to have to risk it. Well, that put paid to that then, didn't it? I'm going to have to do it and paint it black. Never mind. We'll do that then. Silk taffeta, it should be okay. first of all I'm going to have to glue that on. I'm not going to waste any of it. Let me move that out of the way. So I'm going to cut it like that to start with. I actually picked those up at Antiques Fair. If it don't work, you're stuffed, mate. Okie dokie. Well, I'm going to attempt to paint it black. It's always handy to keep your reels. Put that there a minute. And as I usually do, I always use a little bit of card to paint from. And let's see how we get on. Shall we use that one maybe? Right. Using a nice soft head paintbrush. Fine. It's fine. So it works, ladies and gents. It's really good. That's nice. It's not puckered, but then you do need to have something flat. Now, I'm just going to try something because I have to. It's aged ivory embossing enamel and it's got gold in it, which is what I want. But in order for me to use it, I need to do two things. Well, I need to have two things. Like I say, this may not work. We'll just have to see. So daisy. So I've got my stamp, which is the Paris sign, and I'm thinking they're quite French, aren't they? Not that one, love. And it may not work. I'm hoping it does. So I'm just using Judekin's embossing ink, and you put that all over your stamp. Like that. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, I'm not fussed and I never look for perfection. But then I'm just going to take this, and if she's going to be there then I need that stamp there. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, shuck. Oh, it may work. Now, just taking my embossing powder. Oh, it looks like it's worked. I am thrilled. This is the important bit though. And then we can add her there. Parry. And if it's the bloke, he'd have to go there and parry at the bottom. That's fine. That's brilliant. I'm thrilled with that, everybody. Really am. And it's got gold in it, you see. Any little bits like that can go over in black, that's fine. Right, so I'm just going to put that to dry and we'll do the next one. There we go. I like that. I think it's come up really nice. And he's going to stand, like we say here. Lovely. Right, I'm just going to let that one cool down and we'll work on that one, I think. And right, so let me see. Anything that needs doing in black, just to titivate it up again, we just go over. And now what I'm going to do is to attach these, and I'm just going to use glossy accents for that. Now, this has to also go on perfectly. Like that. That's it. Yeah, I like them. Right, let me just finish this off then, I might as well, and then I'm going to come back with part 2. Right, and I'm going to leave that as is and let that dry. But I absolutely love those, and I shall be back. I'll see you in part 2. Bye bye for now.